Hi, my name is Eric and welcome to the channel. So today we're going to be talking about how to fix a rewind. And a lot of times what ends up happening is your rope breaks, and good chances are if it breaks it means that it's getting pretty old and it's time to put new on. So the way we do it here at the shop is we've got you need to know what size rope first. And they come in all different sizes. This here is a 3.5, and probably this one here that was originally on here is a 4, but a 3.5, 4, 4.5 will work. So the first thing we want to do is we want to take this one screw out here. And just flip that over out of your way. And then you got a spring. And then this whole piece will come right out. And see, your spring is still right here on the bottom. So we want to take and thread this rope right through that hole. And then take your needle nose pliers and grab it. Once you grab it, tie it in a knot so that it can't pull itself back through. Trim off the excess. I guess a knife would be better. And then just pull that back through. And then set it back down on. And it will drop right down into place. Put your spring back in. Take this. Alright, so once you have that done, you're going to take off what you need. Cut that. Put your gloves on. And then take and pry right down, and that'll pop right off. And then you can take it right out of the handle. But then the next thing we're going to do with this is we're going to come right through. You want to find that hole. So we can do like this. Shoot it right out that hole. Leave yourself a little bit of room there. I want this, because that's going to be part of your rewind. And we want to loosen this. Bring that right up through. Tie it right into a knot. Pull it back through. And here's our clip. Pop that back in. And then what we're going to do next is just turn it so that it's coming back, spinning back. And that's the direction of travel you want to go. So just hold on to your rewind and just start going around, but you're not putting the rope on the rewind right at this minute. But if we stop right there, that's only going to take it into that distance, right? So what we need to do again, since it's not enough, just get a hold of it. Unwrap it, and then we're going to want to just start going with it. See, we could go an extra turn if we wanted to, or we can shorten it up. But if you wanted to go an extra turn, just bring it right out to there, hold right onto it, pull your rope through, and just do a couple more turns. See, it's not that hard, guys. So on that note, you guys have a good day.